Friends, so today we will look at the aggregation relationship in class diagrams. So it is represented by a small kite on one end. This kite is not shaded and a straight line. So let's look at the Java code. Here we have a class document which is consisting of an array list of paragraphs and a getter and setter for this array list. Here we have a class paragraph which is having a length attribute which is of type int. So this length may represent the number of words in the paragraph or maybe the number of characters in the paragraph. And the next is a font attribute which is of string data type. So it may be representing the font of the paragraph, maybe Times New Roman, etc. So let's see the class diagram of this relationship. So this is a document and this is a paragraph class, and this kite is on the document side and this is a straight line. So what this means is a document is made up of paragraphs. So a single document, and regarding the multiplicity, let us see. So here we will write 1 because a document is 1 and a single document is made up of n number of paragraphs. Star means multiple number of paragraphs. Again, let's see this book class. This is also made up of any number of paragraphs. So here also we can put star. So this is a whole part relationship. Let's look at the difference between this aggregation relationship and the association relationship we studied in the previous lecture. So in association relationship, we studied that a student is associated with water bottle. So a student knows about his or her water bottle, but that doesn't mean a student is made up of water bottles. A student is made up of, let's say, legs, hands, etc. But a student is not made up of water bottle. He or she is just associated with a water bottle. But aggregation relationship is quite different. It is meant for representing a whole part relationship. That is, a document is made up of paragraphs. It is not associated with a paragraph. It is made up of paragraph. So a lot of paragraphs will constitute a document. So in advance, I am telling you one thing. In the next lecture, we will be looking at the composition relationship, which is a bit different than this aggregation relationship. So in aggregation relationship, this paragraph can exist on its own without the need of existing document and book existing. So this can happen. The paragraph is existing by itself. Also, a paragraph can be a part of more than one wholes. That is, it can be part of a document. Simultaneously, it can be part of a book also. Let's say this book is destroyed, then it can be part of this document. So the lifetime of paragraph is not dependent on the lifetime or the life cycle of a book. Even if the book is destroyed, the paragraph is still there. But in composition relationship, if the whole is destroyed, the part automatically gets destroyed. So part doesn't have its own life. Part can live only if its whole is living in a composition or containment relationship, which we will study in next lecture. But in this aggregation relationship, which we are currently studying, a part can exist on its own without any wholes being existing, and also it can be associated to more than one whole. So thank you, friends. Hope you understand.